So this is how you can reset your encrypted password on WhatsApp. So first of all, you're gonna want to open up WhatsApp, of course, and then you're gonna want to tap on settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, you're gonna want to scroll down and tap on chats, and here you're gonna want to look for chat backup, which is right here. So basically, once you're here, you're gonna want to tap on end-to-end encrypted backup, and as you can see, mine is currently turned off, but I'm just gonna, turn it on for now. And let's say our password is hello with two O's. There we go. So right now I'm just setting up the password, but I will be teaching you how to delete this password or how to, remove the password and basically reset it. So I'm gonna create it right now. And basically, after a few minutes, it has completed the end-to-end encryption. So how do we reset that? Well, you're gonna want to do the same steps by going to chat backup and then going to end-to-end encryption. And basically, when it asks for your PIN, you can just tap on I forgot my password, and it's going to prompt up a Face ID or your phone PIN. So of course, you probably know those, like you probably have your Face ID, but if you don't, you probably know the passcode to your phone. So just simply type in your passcode, and then there you can reset your encryption for WhatsApp. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.